Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Drawnames app tutorial, Secret Santa application. Using the Drawnames app is honestly way easier than doing Secret Santa the old school way, where someone inevitably unfolds the paper too aggressively and ruins the surprise for everybody. After downloading the app or opening the website, you can immediately start creating a Secret Santa group without even making an account first. I tested it by creating a small Christmas exchange group, and the setup only took a couple of minutes. You start entering your own name, then add the other participants one by one before choosing the event type like Christmas, birthdays, or whatever gift exchange chaos your group is planning. After that, you set the celebration date and spending limit so nobody shows up with a luxury watch while someone else brings socks from a gas station. The app then lets you invite people through text, email, or other apps, and everyone can create wish lists so give ideas stay organized instead of relying on vague clues like I enjoy things. One feature I actually like is the gift finder and wish list section because it makes shopping less stressful and helps avoid buying random items nobody asked for. Once everyone joins, the app automatically draws names secretly, sends notifications, and basically handles all the awkward organizing work for you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.